girls, welcome to Growing Guitar, the paper kites, change of the wind. That is what we're gonna learn to play today. This is a very straightforward song, easy to play, simple string pattern, only 4 different chords. That's it. So let's go into this one, and we can see we have a capo here on the 1st fret. That's the absolute best scenario for us. So let's go into the 4 chords. Starting with C now, we have 3rd A, 2nd D, open G, 1st B, and open E. That's the grip for C. Next chord will be G, and that goes 3rd E, 2nd A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. D minor next, open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, 1st E, and the final chord is F. So that's a bar chord. You place the index finger on this 1st fret, push down all strings there, then you need to add 3rd A, 3rd D, and 2nd G. Alright, so there we have the 4 chords, and we're gonna look into the string pattern now. If you grab the 1st chord C, 1 string around sounds like this. Okay, so you have down, up, down, up, short pause, and then up, down, up. So down, up, down, up, up, down, up. Okay, so we're ready for a song. Into the 1st verse, we're gonna play total of 4 rounds. So the first 3 rounds will be C, G, D minor, and back to G. Okay, and in this song here, we're gonna play 1 string around per chord pretty much everywhere. So only 1 string around per chord. C, G, D minor, G for the first 3 rounds, and the 4th and final round will be C, G, F, and back to G. So I'm gonna play 2 rounds for you now. I'm gonna play round number 3 and round number 4. So you see the 2 variations here in this 1st verse. Let's go. So round number 3 and 4 was that, and then we're gonna go into the 1st chorus. We're about 50 seconds in with the change of the wind. That's where on the lyrics, and that is the theme or the title for the song. Now let's go through this. It's again about kind of 4 rounds here. Round number 1 is C, G, D minor, and G. Round number 2 is C, G, D minor, and F. And the 3rd round is in the same way as the first one, C, G, D minor, G. And then you end with just F and G. Okay? And all that is, like I said, 1 string around per chord. I think I'm gonna play this for you. So I'm just gonna mention the chords while we're playing. So yeah, just follow. C, G, D minor, G, C, G, D minor, F, C, G, D minor, G, F, G. That's the chorus. Okay. After the chorus here comes an instrumental part after each and every. So this 1st chorus where you're gonna play this one is C, G, D minor, G, then C, G, and F2. And this is the only way or only spot where we're gonna play 2 string rows per chord, and that will be on the F right after this 1st chorus. Okay, so into the 2nd round now. The 2nd verse is played exactly in the same way as the 1st one, so no changes there, and the 2nd chorus as well. So this 2nd round is just repetition, but when it comes to the instrumental part right after the chorus. It's a change there, and playing there is as if you would play another chorus round. Okay, so that is the instrumental part. After that instrumental part comes the outro, and guess what? You're gonna play another chorus there. So these choruses, they're going kind of after each other there. Second chorus, then the instrumental part, and then the outro. It's like 3 choruses right after each other. And after that, you're just gonna end with one beautiful down on the C. And that's it, guys. So that is how you handle the paper kite's change of the wind. Like I said, 4 chords, very simple to handle, straightforward. And yeah, that's it. Hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, feel free to leave me a comment here of what I think about this tutorial, and hope to see you soon again. Till next time, play tuned.